Hello friends, today our topic is learn English from composition and it is about Ayesha's first day at school. Please listen and learn. Also subscribe to our channel. Ayesha's first day at school. It is the story of Ayesha's first day at school. It is a story of Ayesha's first day at school. The first day at school was a memorable day in her life. The first day at school was a memorable day in her life. She was then a girl of 5. She was then a girl of 5. Ayesha's father informed her about the admission. Ayesha's father informed her about the admission. She felt both joy and fear. She felt both joy and fear. It was Sunday. It was Sunday. She took bath and nicely dressed. She took bath and nicely dressed. Later she has had some snacks. Later she has had some snacks. Her father accompanied her to the school and brought to the principal, who asked her name and other questions. Her father accompanied her to the school and brought to the principal, who asked her name and other questions. At first she felt a bit nervous, but principal's lovely words got rid of her nervousness. At first she felt a bit nervous, but principal's lovely words got rid of her nervousness. Next, Ayesha met her class teacher Rafincher and went to the class. Next, Ayesha met her class teacher Rafincher and went to the class. Rafincher introduced Ayesha with other classmates. Rafincher introduced Ayesha with other classmates. Initially she felt aloof and helpless. Initially she felt aloof and helpless. Thank God, finally she could cope with the situation. Thank God, finally she could cope with the situation. Since then many years passed by. Since then many years passed by. Ayesha's first day at school still peeps in her memory with pleasure. Ayesha's first day at school still peeps in her memory with pleasure.